Hey, this is Sharon from Coal Creek Nurseries, and as you can see, I am surrounded by Buddleia, or as most people know it, butterfly bushes. And if you are into butterflies, pollinators, you have to have butterfly bushes. And I have a huge variety of those for you. Um, One of the best things about butterfly bushes is they really don't want any attention. They don't really like fertilizer. They're drought tolerant after they're established. They're kind of one of those plants that you can plant and not really ever fuss with, and they just keep going year after year. The other awesome thing about them is if we don't have a super cold winter, um, they don't typically lose all their leaves either, so they almost can be considered like semi-deciduous. So I have several varieties here. We have the Pugster series, Pugster Blue and Pugster Pinker. I have Pugster Amethyst, Pugster White. There's a whole line of these. Nice things about this one is that they only do about 2 feet. And people like that because they like the butterfly bushes, but they have spots they don't want them to get too big in. And then I also have two of the most popular that we've seen last year and this year is Miss Ruby and Miss Violet. And both of these are awesome. The colors on them are awesome, and they get 4 to 5 feet. So they give you a lot more wow, a lot more color. And then we also have a series called Lo and Behold. And what I have in that is Blue Chip Junior. There's a blue chip, another purple one I can't remember the name of, but anyway, that's because there's so many of them. And then we also even have a series that's called Butterfly Candy, and that one is really cool because they only get about 1.5 feet tall, and they would work perfect to pop into certain spots, and they come in little taffy, little coconut, little grape. I think that's really cool and fun. So if you want butterflies, you need a butterfly bush. So come on down to Coal Creek and we'll help you pick out the right one.